what does Copilot do in Outlook? It can summarize long emails, draft emails for you based on your prompt, be your writing coach, and answer questions based on all of your emails. That's amazing. Now, what does Copilot do in Word? It can draft content from scratch or based on existing content. It can summarize documents. It can improve your content and even create outlines for you. Great. Now, what does Copilot do in Excel? It can identify insights in your data. It can highlight the data that you need. It can even sort and filter your data, as well as generate formula columns. Fantastic. What does Copilot do in PowerPoint? It can summarize presentations, improve your slides, organize your presentations, and it can even create a presentation from scratch or from existing content such as a Word document. Awesome! Now, what does Copilot do in OneNote? Copilot in OneNote can create notes based on a prompt. It can improve your notes, and it can even summarize notes. That's cool. Now, what does Copilot do in Microsoft Loop? Copilot in Loop can help you draft and rewrite content. It can help you improve your notes, and it can also summarize your notes. Wonderful! Now, what does Copilot do in Microsoft Whiteboard? It can suggest content based on a topic. It can also summarize a whiteboard as well as organize your ideas. That's amazing. Now, what does Copilot do in Power Automate? It can help you create and edit your flows. It can answer questions that you have about your flows. It can document your flows, and it can even help you create desktop flows. That's great. Now, what does Copilot do in Power Pages? Copilot in Power Pages can generate a site for you. It can add AI-generated forms. It can create entire web pages. It can add an AI-powered chatbot to your site. And it can even help you write code to take your site to the next level. That's awesome. Now, what does Copilot in Edge do? Copilot in Edge can summarize the current page or document that you have open. It can create content based on your request, and it can answer any question using the power of Bing. That's super cool. Now, what does Copilot do in Microsoft Teams? Warning, there are many uses for Copilot in Teams, so make sure you're buckled in. Copilot in Teams can help you summarize long Teams channel messages and chat discussions. It can help you write better messages. It can answer any question based on the content of Teams meetings and calls even before they're done. It can recap important details from both team meetings and calls. And finally, act as an assistant with access to all your data in Microsoft Teams, email, SharePoint, and more. Oh wow, that's a lot. Now, what can Windows do? Copilot in Windows can help you change your Windows settings. It can help answer any questions using the power of Bing, and it can connect with Microsoft 365 Copilot for any questions related to your business data. That's super useful. Now, what does Copilot do in Power Apps? Copilot in Power Apps can help you create your app. It can help you add components and screens. It can help you create conditional formatting in your app, and it can help you add artificial intelligence to your applications. Oh, awesome! Now,